Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook keeps crashing on iPhone. If Facebook keeps crashing on your iPhone, it's usually caused by a temporary app glitch, outdated software, low storage, or a network issue. Follow these fixes until the app works properly again. First step is to force close and reopen Facebook. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen, find Facebook in the app switcher, then swipe up on Facebook to close it, then reopen the app and check if it still crashes. Next is to restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone clears temporary system issues. Press and hold the side button and either volume button. Drag the power slider to turn off your iPhone. Then just wait about 30 seconds. Then turn your iPhone back and open Facebook and see if that works. Next, close Facebook and open App Store. Then search for Facebook. Open Facebook. Then tap Update next to Facebook if it's available. So make sure you're using the latest version. So app updates often include bug fixes that resolve crashing issues. So once updated, open it and see if that works. Next is to update iOS. So running an outdated version of iOS can cause compatibility issues. So open your settings, then scroll down to General and open it. Go to Software Update, then download and install any available update. Next is to offload the Facebook app. So offloading removes the app while keeping your documents and data. So to do that, open Settings, then go to General, then scroll down to iPhone Storage, then in here, tap Facebook, then tap Offload App. Tap Offload App again to confirm the action. So once Reinstall App appears, click on that and wait for it to reinstall. So again, this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. And by reinstalling, the app will place back your data. So just wait for it to finish. So once this is done, go ahead and open Facebook and see if that works. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.